Look at this channel. They have more than 1 million subscribers and published only 53 short videos. And what kind of videos are they making? If you look at the videos, they are making simple AI-generated videos with voiceover.
Enters the apple orchard and starts plucking all the apples, throwing and ruining them. The cow sees all this.
You can also create this kind of video with the help of AI. Today, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating this kind of video. Let's dive in. To create this kind of video, we have to follow 4 steps. Write the idea or story, generate images or videos, create a voiceover, and finally, edit the video. Today, I will use only one platform, ChatLLM Team by Abacus AI, to generate all the content. ChatLLM Team is a multimodal hub where you can use popular LLM models and various AI tools in one platform. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. Now we have to create an account. So click on the Get Started button from here and then create an account. Alright, this is the ChatLLM Team interface. On the top of the page, you will find all the popular LLMs. You can select anyone from here to generate your content. However, if you are confused, then select the root LLM model. It will choose the right LLM according to your needs. Okay, now let's start creating the video. First of all, we have to generate the story. So, come to the prompt box here. Now we have to ask for our story. Simply ask to write a story about any topic. And here you can see, the GPT-4o is writing a story for us. The story is quite good. However, as we want to make a short video, we need a shorter story than this one. So, I am asking for a shorter version. And here it is, the story is ready. I think this one is perfect for my video. Now I will create the scenes. To do that, I am typing, I want to make a video using this story. I will create this video only with narration and AI-generated video. Can you please suggest the scene description? Here you can see that the GPT-4o is generating the scene description along with the narration text. Our storyboard is ready, but we can't generate videos directly from this scene description. To generate perfect video clips, we need proper prompts. So, I am entering another prompt. I will put this in the description box. After entering the prompt, hit the send button. Our prompt is being generated. And here it is, the prompts are ready. That's perfect. Now we have to create the visuals. There are 2 ways to do so. First of all, create a new tab with the ChatLLM Team. Now you can generate images with the prompt and then turn them into videos. To generate images, click the image option from here. This is the image generation interface. Here first, we have to set the image generation model. You will find a bunch of options for powerful image generation models. Select one of them. After that, enter the prompt in this box. Enter the first scene prompts generated by the ChatLLM Team. After entering the prompt, you can modify the prompt with this option. Next, to generate a more realistic image, turn on this option. After that, you can upload a reference image. Next, if you want to use a fixed seed, you can enter it here. In the end, set the aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result. This is just amazing. I love the result. Now in this method, you can generate images for all the prompts. Alright, if you want to generate the videos directly with the prompts, then click on the More button from here, and then select the Video Gen option. This is the video generation interface. Like image generation, you will find the option to set a video generation model. You will find popular and powerful video generation models like Luma Labs, Runway, Kling, and even Hailu AI. Let's start with the Hailu AI. After selecting the Hailu AI video generator model, enter the prompt in this box. You can set a start frame or image reference to generate the video. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now we have to wait some time. So, let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The video is ready. The video is quite good. But there is an issue. Hailu AI generates a landscape video clip, and we are generating a portrait video. Now if you crop the video, we may lose the content. And Hailu AI doesn't have the option to change the aspect ratio. So what can we do? ChatLLM multi-models come into play here. Now we are not bound to just one AI video generator. Let's try with Kling AI. After selecting the Kling AI video generator model, set the mode between Standard and Pro. Pro will take more time but generate a higher quality video. After that, you can upload the start frame image. We don't need it. Now enter the prompt in this box. Next, you can set the CFG scale. After that, set the aspect ratio. We have to choose 9:16 here. Next, you can set video duration and negative prompts. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result. Look at the quality. It's just perfect for our video. So we will use Kling AI to generate our video clips. This is the benefit of having multiple options to generate content. Alright, come to the video generation interface again. Enter the second scene prompts, and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the Generate button to generate the second video clip. And here it is, the second video clip is ready. The quality of the video is quite good and perfect for our video. So, now in the same method, generate all the video clips according to the prompts. Once the video clips are generated, download the video clips to your device and organize them in ascending order. Alright, our video clips are ready. Now we have to create the narration voiceover. To generate the voiceover, come to the previous chat. First, we have to extract the narration text from the scene description. To do that, we have to enter a new prompt. I am simply typing, "Can you please extract the narration part from the scene description?" And you can see all the narration text has been extracted. Now to create a single paragraph, I am giving another command. And our paragraph is ready. Now, you will find an option called Sound under the narration part. With this option, you can generate voiceover with the ChatLLM team. Click on it. A text-to-speech pop-up will appear. And you can see the voiceover is generating, and here it is. The voiceover is ready.
Luna was no ordinary cow. While the herd grazed, she dreamed of the stars, spending nights gazing at the sky from the hilltop.
Honestly speaking, the quality is quite good. Now you can download the audio from here. But if you want to customize the voice actor, then click on Change from here. Now you will find all the voice actors. You can set the filter to find the best one. First of all, the type. Here you will find the types of voices like social media, conversational news, narration, and character. As we are creating a narrative voiceover, I am selecting narration. Next, in the same method, set the age, language, accent, and then gender. Once every filter is set, you will find your desired voice. Now listen to them and select the best one. Once you change the voice actor, it will take some time to regenerate the voice. And here it is. The voiceover is ready. Now to download the voiceover, click on the download icon from here. And our voiceover is ready. Alright, all of our videos and voiceover are ready. Now it's time to assemble them with a video editor. You can use any video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. Alright, first of all, import all the video clips into the media bin. Now insert them into the timeline in ascending order. Give proper time to set the video order properly. Once the video clips are ready, import the narration voiceover and insert it into the timeline. Sometimes you may need to adjust the video duration. Do it properly. Once the narration part is set, after completing the sound design, you can add transitions between the scenes if needed. Insert the BGM. You will find a vast library of music here in the Audio tab. Once the BGM is added, adjust the volume and duration. Once everything is set, hit the Export button. It will take some time to render the video. In that, let's talk about how much you have to pay to generate all content with the ChatLLM team. You have to pay only $10 per month to use all the LLMs, image and video generators, along with all other features. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Luna was no ordinary cow. While the herd grazed, she dreamed of the stars, spending nights gazing at the sky from the hilltop. The other cows teased her, saying, "Cows belong on the ground." But Luna believed otherwise. One day she discovered the farmer's son building a rocket, and that night, she snuck aboard. At dawn, the rocket launched, carrying Luna into space. Terrified at first, she soon marveled at the stars surrounding her, bright, endless, and beautiful. She had done it. A simple cow had reached the heavens.
It's just amazing. By making some extra effort, you can make more captivating videos. Now you can upload this video like AI video too. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!